Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I styled my panty wig right here. Mainly how I did the bangs. And for this, I kind of followed this picture right here. I didn't do exactly like what you see on this picture. I just kind of followed it for direction of the bangs. And yeah, so let's get on to me styling this wig. When styling this wig, I did not have any rhyme or reason with how I did it. I kind of just went left to right, and yeah. I'm starting each spike by teasing it back to give it a lot more volume. After brushing out the top layer of hair, the hair that would be shown, I'm then hairspraying it and forming it into the spike. I am then going over that with a hairdryer to set it. I am now pulling out some hairs just to form more of the spike's shape. I'm going over that spike again with some more hairspray and then a hairdryer again just to set it. Now I'm going in with some hair scissors just to trim up any flyaways and to solidify the shape of the spike. Now I'm moving on to the next spike, and I am following the one that is highlighted in green in the image. I'm starting by sectioning a part of the wig that I will be using for this spike. For each spike of the wig, I followed the same sequence of teasing the hair, using hairspray and a hairdryer, more teasing if needed, and then using more hairspray and a dryer just to form the shape. I am going in once again with my hair scissors, just cleaning up any flyaways and redefining the shape. Now on to the next spike, the one that is outlined in green. I already had this part sectioned out from before. I'm just going in and teasing the living crap out of this area because it's going to be one of the bigger spikes. Once again, I'm going in with some hairspray and a hairdryer to set it to form the shape of this spike. To make some of the spikes bigger, I pulled out some hairs and followed it by the hairspray hairdryer sequence just to set it. I'm finishing up the spike by cleaning it up, and there it is. I'm now moving on to the top left spike. For this spike, I had to cut a lot of the ends off just to make it shorter. Once again, I am teasing this spike to get more volume and then combing out the top layer. I'm going over that spike with some hairspray, then setting it with a hairdryer while holding it in shape and in the position that I want it. And I did have to do that a few times just until it did curl up just right. Now I'm just cleaning up any flyaways. Now I'm hopping over to the right side. I have the hair already pre-sectioned and I'm just teasing it to give it volume. I'm going in with hairspray and a hairdryer, once again just to hold it shape. I'm then cleaning up the spike by clipping away the extra hairs. Now moving on to the next spike. I started this spike just like all the other ones by teasing it and then combing out the top layer. I'm going in with some hair scissors to trim the spike down right away just because I know it's going to be too long. I'm now going in with my hairspray and hairdryer to set it in place. I have the hair already pre-sectioned and I'm just teasing it to give it volume border. And once again, I'm going in with my hairspray and hairdryer to set it. I am now moving on to the next spike. I also got a new camera, so the quality is about to get a lot better. Once again, I am going into the section I already made and teasing it to give it more volume. And like usual, I'm going in with hairspray and a hairdryer to set it. I am now moving on to the 9th spike of the wig. I'm going in once again to using the hair to give it more volume, then combing out that top layer. I'm going in with my hairspray and hairdryer one more time to hold its shape and to set it in place. I'm going in and cleaning up the spike with my scissors. I am moving on to the next spike, which is actually going to be a top spike. For this spike, I'm doing things a little bit differently. I'm going in with my hairspray right away, and I'm getting underneath too to make it pop off a little bit more, and then I'm going in and setting it with my hairdryer. I'm going in again with some more hairspray just to really shape the spike, and then setting it with my hairdryer. I am then going in with my hair scissors, just trimming up any flyaways. I decided to go in with some hairpins just to hold some of the spikes in place and in shape. I am moving on to the second top spike. I had to do this spike like all of my other ones, where I went in and teased the underside and then combed out the top layer. I am then using my hairspray everywhere and then setting it with a hairdryer to fully form its shape. I'm going in with some hair clips just to help hold the spike in place. I'm going in with my hairspray and hairdryer just one more time, just to really solidify and hold all the spikes. And here is the final look of my Panty wig. Thank you so much everyone for watching, and if you liked the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe for more content, and comment down below what other content you want to see. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye!